Flat bottom as you're going to get. It's certainly far, far better than you get from a standard end mill. It's certainly to within 0.3 of a degree.
Do you ever have problems where your tool carousel just isn't quite big enough for all the tools you need from a job? In today's Tech Corner, I'm here with Duncan from Tungaloy to find out how the Do Multi-Rec could help with that one problem. So Duncan, what is the Do Multi-Rec?
The Do Multi-Rec is really the ultimate all-round tool. It has multiple functions. Because of the way that the inserts are put into the tool, you can plunge mill with it, so that's straight on end feeding, like you would do with a U-drill. Because it's 90-degree approach, you can shoulder mill with it. You can helical mill with it. It'll do just about everything. Well,
going back actually to the helical interpolation, I was quite interested to read actually that there's no minimum size you can actually interpolate out with that, is there?
Like most cutters, there's always a point at which you exceed the capability of the insert. But you can normally plunge mill, you can helical mill to 2 mil above the size of the actual cutter before you start having the issues. The nice thing about this tool is we're keeping it nice and simple. It's 3 different sizes of insert. Those inserts are the same insert for the central pocket as for the peripheral pocket. You simply use 2 corners in the peripheral pocket, flip it over, use 2 corners in the central pocket, so that keeps your inventory of inserts down. Size-wise, we go from 16 mil through to 26 mil diameter.
And actually, it's just come on the screen now. If you're plunge milling, it's perfect, this tool, for counterbores because you get a really nice flat bottom.
Yeah, it's as near flat bottom as you're going to get. It's certainly far, far better than you get from a standard end mill. It's certainly to within 0.3 of a degree.
So, for the viewers at home, can you explain really what a flat-bottomed hole is?
Yeah, flat-bottomed holes are normally required in things like countersinks where you put in a cap head screw in. You want the head of the screw to actually seat properly. You don't want it to be sitting on a dome because that then risks the screw being able to work its way loose. With most of the plunge milling tools, trying to get a flat bottom hole is nigh and impossible. Our flat bottom tool does produce a flat bottom hole within 0.3 of a degree. It's enough that it's much better than what you would normally be faced. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
So does this tool only come as a solid cutter?
No, we've got the shank style tools in both short series and long series. But if you want to do some really long reach, which we've got there on the video, you've got the screw-in head, which you can put into carbide or steel shanks.
And then, just quick before we finish, as we just saw in that video before, can you use this to drill down angled faces?
Yeah, you can put that tool in on an angled face. All you do is you half your feed rate to start with until it's in full contact, and then you use both the capability of the tool, using both tips. But you can use it for cusp milling, or what people call edge plunging. It's a real, as it shows there, real multi-purpose tool.
Brilliant. It shows that you can do plunge milling and everything. So how would people contact you if they want to learn more about this tool?
Yeah, go to the Tungaloy website. There's a contact form on there. You can fill that in. We'll get in touch with you. The telephone number's there on the website as well. There's lots of engineers out there to support you. We're on LinkedIn. We're on WhatsApp. Everything. We can't hide anywhere. We're there to support you and get the best out of the tools.
Duncan, thank you so much for today. It's been great to learn about this new tool. All the details for Tungaloy will be below, and thanks for watching.